And she knew the danger. When she asked the question, it was troubling her. Why was it troubling her? Because she is in contact with her Creator, and she is perfectly innocent, 7 years old. She's got a good mother that's taking care of that. And go and ask your grandpa. It's me. And so I have a relationship with this little girl. And she doesn't bother me very often. But every now and then, I get that question or something like that. But this is pivotal. What I'm about to tell you is a pivotal kind of thing. There are many variations of it, of violation of a child who will never recover because there may not be lots of Roy Masters around. She may recover from seeing it herself, but that's very unlikely. We can see other people's problems, but we can't see our own. It's very hard to see our own. And if we do see our own, whatever it is, we still don't know how to fix it. Then we struggle with it, and that makes it worse.